Hello everyone, today I want to share with you an amazing opportunity that is not so often spoken about. It's sort of a mystery of how people get a job in this space. Maybe it's just me, but I don't often hear or see opportunities telling you where or how to apply for a job in a cruise ship. If you like exploring and it has been your dream to ever work on a cruise ship, then this might just be your chance because the largest ship in the world is urgently looking to hire people from all over the world in different professions. And it's a lot of people that they are looking for, both skilled and unskilled. Whether you have experience or have no experience, they are looking for so many people. You'll see later on in the video. And that is why in this video, I want to share with you the best kept secret on how people actually apply for this kind of jobs. And I mean, if you meet the requirement for the profession that you're applying for, then there shouldn't be any problems because these jobs are not only meant for a selected few people. Anyone out there can apply and also just get the job. And I mean, if you like to travel the world, then why not also just apply? As long as you really act on it. When I share these opportunities, you should apply as soon as possible because you are not the only one looking at them. Everybody out there is also just hunting and ready to grab these opportunities. Working on the cruise ship can be so much beneficial to you because you live there, they give you free meals, they give you free accommodation, free laundry services, and you also get to have a good salary, and you can save so much money because you are always living on the ship. You hardly go somewhere else, so you can really bargain from that. And you get to travel to exciting countries. You are meeting a lot of people, a lot of tourists, meaning that you are getting a good cultural exchange. If you are new to the channel, just write down for me in the comment section the word newbie so that I can come and show you some love. I am Ria, and on this channel I share job opportunities and information to help you relocate to your promised land. Relocation can be quite expensive, and because I don't want you to put holes in your pocket, on this channel I try to share opportunities that are offering visa sponsorship in countries like Germany, UK, Canada, USA, Australia, as well as New Zealand. If moving abroad is on your bucket list, then I highly recommend you to subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell so that you are aware every time I have a new video. And to all the returning viewers, thank you so much for all you do to support the channel. All the comments, all the likes, the sharings, I do not take you for granted. Before we go any further to show you where you can actually apply for the cruise ship jobs, I just need a little favor from you. Can you please click on that like button that shows below this video? It's completely free. That will help me a lot as a token of appreciation. The ship that is currently looking to hire people is called Loyal Caribbean. So this is the largest ship when it comes to revenue generation in the whole world. And they have a lot of positions that they want to fill, and they're hiring from anywhere in the world. There are two ways to apply for jobs on this ship. The first way is to apply through their company's job portal, and the second way is to apply through their hiring partners. So they have hiring partners in different countries from where they are operating. Not all of them, but specific ones. I'll show you a bit later on in the video. I will show you both ways on how to apply, but I really need you to watch the video until the end because often I get questions in the comment section about things that I've already said in the video. So I do urge you to watch the entire video. The first way we'll look at is applying through the company's portal. So if you come to this page, I'll leave the link in the description box just so that you don't have to type it out. The company's portal is called Certrec. So if you come to this page and you scroll down, you will see that there are different listing of different departments. Please select a department depending on in which department you want to work for. You can then make your choice from there. We have hotel, marine, and then private destinations. Under those categories, we have different departments like casino, food, beverage, finance. So all of these are departments within the ship. So if you find a department that suits you and you click on that specific department, let's say facilities, it will open up the different positions that are available that you can apply for. For example, under facilities, we have plumbers, we have repair supervisors, repairmen, and all of these. Do take your time to read through all of these positions and really take the one that is the most applicable to you. There are no limitations. You can apply for as many positions as you want. It's all up to you. So different ones, as you can see here, even photo is a department and you have different positions like photographer, senior photographer, and so on. Now, to apply for one of these jobs, if you click on, let's say, plumber, it will bring up a pop-up that gives a description of what the plumber does or what you're supposed to do. And you see here it says apply now. If you click on apply now, it will bring up a pop-up for you to enter your email address so that they can verify you. But I've already done that. I won't be entering my email address. In order for you to apply, you need to have an account on this portal. So you have to first register. I just have to log in because I've already registered. If I click on log in, they will ask me to enter my email address and my password. And I click on log in. Once I log in, you can see here they're asking me which system do I want to access. I want to access the C-Track where the jobs are. And then I don't know what they are reminding me of, but I'll just say accept. So this is how the portal looks like. Once you register, you'll be taken to this portal and you have to complete all the information on the portal, like your permanent home address, your mobile phone. You also have to attach your CV and a whole lot of other personal information as well as your qualification. Do make sure that you complete it fully. And over here you can see it says my applications. I have tried to do application as a test, but I haven't submitted them. This is what is listed here. So even you, when you have applied, they will be listed somewhere here. But I want to go back to the portal so that I can show you how you can apply. So I'll click on this link that says apply for another job. Click here. So here is just a pop-up that says this portal works best on Firefox, but I'm using Google. I'm not using Firefox, so I will just cancel that. And the good thing is that you see that I'm given a warning here in red. It says that I have incomplete applications. I haven't submitted them. That's why it's giving me this warning here. So let's go back and apply for one of the positions. Let me say, for example, I go to finance department and I want to apply for a payroll purser. So if I click on here, it will bring up the pop-up that explains the position, and then you go here where it says apply, then you click. So once you click on apply, that means you have applied for the position. So it will bring up this screen for you to enter the information that are relevant to your application of that position. So it's a lot of fields that you have to fill in pertaining to the position that you are applying for. As you can see here, it's quite a lot. Different information, references, qualifications, experiences. So do make sure that you fill in each and every field, because you don't want an instance where your CV or your application is being thrown out just because you were too lazy to complete all the information. So complete it fully and don't leave any open field. Put on your image, your CV, and all the other information that they are requesting. And then after you are done, you can then submit your application. But you can see here it takes you from tab to tab for you to actually make sure that and verify that you have completed all the fields. When you are done, you just then go to the submit application and your application will be submitted. It does take some time for them to give you feedback, so you need to be very, very patient and allow them space to actually come back to you with feedback. So this was how you can apply on the company's portal. Now I want to show you the second method, how you can apply through the hiring partners. So to apply through the hiring partners, you will come to this screen. I'll put the link in the description so that you can use that. And you see here, it says about hiring partners. This is still on the Loyal Caribbean website. It's just another tab that I've opened up. So if I scroll down here, they're giving you different information on Loyal Caribbean hiring partners. But I want to scroll down so that I can show you how you can apply through them. So when you come down here, it says find local hiring partners. So here they are asking you to select from here, select a country, the country where you are from. But like I said, the hiring partners are not in all the countries, so you will have to choose a country that is more applicable to you. So for example, I'm from Namibia, but there's no Namibia here, so I'll probably choose the nearest country, which is South Africa. So if I click on South Africa, it will bring up the information for the hiring partner. Let me see how many hiring partners we have in South Africa. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. We actually just have 4 hiring partners. So certified hiring partner, and here is the information for the first hiring partner. They are giving you the name. It's called Cast Airways South Africa, the telephone number, email address, the website. You can also click on the link to their website. The jobs are listed there as well, and you see here it says hiring for. So now these specific hiring partners are recruiting for different departments. Remember the departments that we saw on the company's job portal? Those are the departments. So they are not all hiring for all the departments. They are specified. Like this one is only hiring for hotel, medical positions. And then the next partner and so on, you can read through all of them and contact them if you have any other if you have any other questions. And I think the best way will be to apply through the Loyal Caribbean portal, so you can use that to apply then. So that was the way how you can apply for a job on the largest cruise ship in the world. So do go through everything and really apply for as many positions as you can and wait for feedback from them. I'll be more than happy to hear from you, get some feedback. If you end up getting the job, that will really make me so happy, knowing that my research didn't go into vain. So yeah, that was it from me. I'll see you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video. Do subscribe if you have not done so yet. I'll see you in my next video. Until next time, auf Wiedersehen.